I would have died for the name Jesus when until Yahweh opened my eyes. Yahshua says, I revealed myself unto who the Father will. The first temple consists of solid foundation on which the temple was built. Now, I lay a lot of emphasis on a solid foundation, because this very same foundation will, centuries later, became the place where Islam, the Muslims, will build the Dome of the Rock, the Golden Dome, which we know today in Jerusalem. Exactly the same foundation which King Solomon laid for the first temple. The first temple consists of gold, of a solid foundation on which the temple was built. After its destruction in 570 AY, only the solid foundation remained. When King Nebuchadnezzar from Babylon came and it invaded Jerusalem, breaking down the temple, overthrowing the walls of Jerusalem, the only thing that remained of the temple, the first temple of King Solomon, was what? The foundation. I want us to remember this. The foundation. So this we would call the first temple. Am I right? Yeah, that is how the church taught us. This is how we taught. Well, since I had my mind, I would hear my pastor preach about the first temple of King Solomon. And now the second temple in Jerusalem. Now, firstly, Israel, King Nebuchadnezzar will come, break the temple down. He would demolish it instead to the ground, instead, not just the brickwork and everything, but not the foundation. And then Israel was taken captivity for how long? 70 years. All right. During the time of Israel's bondage in Babylon, now the heading here is the second temple. You can make a note, the second temple. During the time of Israel's bondage in Babylon, under different Babylonian kings, they will from time to time find permission to rebuild the temple in Jerusalem and also the walls of Jerusalem. Now, in the course of this study, we are going to come to all the different kings who would allow Israel on certain times to work on rebuilding the temple, which will basically take 49 years. So we will study the word and see where the time fits in and why. When building the second temple, the Israelites used the very same foundation of the previous temple, which is called the first temple. When Israel was in bondage under the kings of Babylon, when they were granted permission to restore their temple under bondage, under slavery, they would build it on exactly the same foundation where the first temple stood, the temple of King Solomon. But this is the second temple. Do we have it? The second temple. But it was still the very first temple's foundation. These two temples in Jerusalem would become known as the two temples in Jerusalem, and therefore the third temple which is planned need to be built in Jerusalem. There was two temples built already. The second temple, what happened to it? It was also broken down and burned to the ground by Emperor Titus in 90 AD. when he destructed the temple and overthrown the walls of Jerusalem. But we'll come to that. So the second temple which Israel built in captivity of Babylon, which Nebuchadnezzar broke down, well, not him himself, but his regime, his soldiers and his people, would be rebuilt, which is called the second temple. I just want us to calculate first and second temple. Very important. What about the temple? I say, what about the temple which was seldom than ever talked about? The temple King Solomon never built.